I have not hedged my bets. I've gone, all the three stocks that I've chosen, I have actually suggested long positions in them. You asked for the rationale. The rationale is that if you notice over the last 15 days or so, we are trading within a narrow band of 57.20 and 56.33 was the low once posted, and normally I would take it as a range between say 56.50 and 57.20. Had I given this call right at the beginning when the market opened, maybe I would have chosen one or two short calls there. But with the Nifty having fallen to 5668, that means we are already in the bottom third of the range if we accept that 5650 to about 5720 is the range. Given that, and given the fact that it is not yet showing any directional cues, although we might tend to preempt any kind of a downswing, but I have seen that over the last 15 days, if you have done so, you haven't made much money. So at the lower end of the range, with some proper stop losses, you can actually go long. And the first counter that I have chosen is showing enough of momentum, barring the last few minutes when it was showing some bit of weakness, that is LIC housing finance. I would say that unless it closes below 244, it continues to be a buy, and my targets are 254, 257 and 260. Once it trades above 250, it would be pretty strong. IDFC, it's not just a price gainer, it is also a price volume gainer, and if you analyze yesterday's session, it was price, volume and open interest gainer. So IDFC is clearly showing bullish traction. So in that sense, if you put a stop loss below 155.50, probably if you hold the trades till next week, I think you are likely to see IDFC climbing up to 166. In between 161 and 163 could be acting as pauses. And the third trade is actually a suggestion to buy Nifty futures. When we are in a range bound situation, although it is difficult, it is counterintuitive, but sometimes it pays to actually do buy weakness, sell strength. So I would suggest buying Nifty here, knowing fully well that you might get stopped out, but it's worth your while to actually see such minimal risk in buying Nifty, attempting it to buy here, and say we can see the November Nifty going up to something like 5730 to about 5744, and I would say put a stop below 5665, not the spot level but the November futures level. Though these are the three long trades that I have to offer, and I have given you ample rationale as to why in a weak market you can still go long. I have three trading ideas. One is a day trading idea and the other two are positional trade ideas. Punj Lloyd, buy with a stop below 49.80. It's a 30 paisa stop loss from the current levels, and I've kept a target of 52, but 51 appears to be a viable target.